Good morning, it's March 22nd, 2017. My name is Jim Whitley and I'm going to share with you some of my morning notes. As always, be sure that you are trading your plan. We had things really got shook up there yesterday. It's quite a day. We see that some of the signals have actually, kind of shifted around here. I throw up this page here so you can, kind of catch, where my mindset signals are, but also over here that I'm completely in cash coming in this morning. I'm not holding anything. Taking a look at the total stock market VTI, MACD is bending here a little bit. The 11-week moving average be about 120.11. That's going to correspond with around this 50-day moving average here at 120.02. The 22-day here is the first time this year that it is actually bending down with some weakness in the MACD. If we want to take a look at the QQQ, it's the first close that it had all year underneath this 22-day moving average. It does have a base at 129. You have to go way back here before you can find, 3 up days in a row. Where is it? Right here. So we had a bunch of up days here, and then we're able to subtract 2 and get a base here. So the base is still way back here. It's at the 129 level. The 50-day would come in at 127.88. Small caps IWM, 22-week moving average here is 133.55. It has some slight support at 130. If we take a look at that on the daily, you can't, what else can you say except that's just one big ugly candle right there. It's right back down into the bottom of the old range that we were playing around with the MACD ticking down a little bit there too. On the bond side of things, TLT did close up above the 50-day with crossing the MACD, as well as the 10-year stuff with the IEF had another big move there again. Overseas, I know if we were looking at the mindset signals, you're still kind of in a buying mindset here, but it's you really have to note that big engulfing candle which came back to the Fibonacci area there. So the 11-day here is at 61.51. 61.09 would be a 22-day area. Same thing with EEM with the emerging market stuff. Nice. That was a big engulfing candle. It's kind of back here at this 5-day area. 11-day there is 39.03 and 22-day is 38.64. Biotech, we're right around this area that we were talking about over the weekend. 286.16 is kind of a key level to hold here to have this, the more of the textbook Elliott wave thing. Just a review here. We have wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then our corrective waves we have here is A, B, and is this going to be C right down in here before we take off and go in a positive direction? It just remains to be seen. Taking a look at financials, the 22-week there is 23.13. MACD is kind of ducking under there. If we take a look at that on the daily, I did try to hop in around Fibonacci here at 24. We blew right through that level, had to get out. There's weakness in the MACD. Technology, here's another one. We're right here at this 22-day, actually just a hair under at 52.89. 51.87 is a 22-day low on it. That's just above the 50-day area. Utilities, one of the only things that got bought yesterday also. Let's see. If we review, we would look at 53 at being a double top area. There's some strength in that MACD there. Taking a look at that on the daily, it did close above the Fibonacci line and above the 5-day. Healthcare, looks like there's a kind of spike down here or something. Touched the 22-week before snapping back up. Zooming in there on the daily there, I mean, it did close underneath the 22 day, however, with some weakness in the MACD. So that's going to do it for this morning's morning notes. You can connect with me on Twitter and Facebook at Whitley Trading. Emails can be sent to jimwhitleytrading@gmail.com. Y'all have a fantastic day, and I'll catch up with you a little bit later.